Hello everyone, I hope you are well. Today we are going to be making a cute koala. So first we are going to start with its nice little head. So now let's draw its body. So after we made the body, we're going to make its cute little ears. So now let's draw the cute little feet. Now, let's do the arms. After we have done our hands, we're going to make him sit on a branch. So after making our branch, we can make some nice green leaves for him to eat. After we've done the branch, we're going to make its little mouth, its eyes and its nose. So how we make the eyes, first do 2 big circles, then do 2 tiny circles, then color the rest in black. Now we have its sparkly eyes ready. So let's add some colors. I'm going to use a green color for the leaves. So now let's add some texture to our branch by simply adding the lines for a more realistic look. So now we can start adding some color. I'm going to use a light brown for the branch. So now I'm going to colour in the koala, starting with the nose, make it a bit darker so then it can, blend in with its light colour. So I have coloured my koala in a light grey colour, so now let's start drawing the sun. Now the sun is done, we can take our yellow color and start coloring the sun. Our koala is done. I hope you enjoyed this video.